Brother, through me here, and then still saying work on me hard, brother, for nothing at all, just cause me they do a video.
Pierre, that's Mufasa. What? Pierre, that's Mufasa.
So today, I'm actually filming a workout right now that's about to go live on the WellFit platform this week. So I want to invite you to join me for that.
Welcome, Burritos, to the Monday social media countdown. Not like there are any more days from now. Oh, gosh. Anyway, oh, Lord. Alexa, stop. Thank you, Alexa. You see cooperation? You see effectiveness in 2025? Thank you so much, Alexa. Anyway, Burritos, we have some exciting, well, is it exciting for Uno? Yes. So the countdown, we're not giving you 10 topics anymore, right? And so, yeah, I know I feel a little weird, don't cost me off too much, but I'm going to give you some brata, some extraness. I'm going to be doing 5 topics now, but we're going to get some new, fresh segments, and hopefully you will like it, because once again, if you don't like me, you have to like the segments, them, as some kind of the things, so I'm going to work with it. But I have a lot of topics to go and talk about, including a particular schoolers who vex with them school over the hairstyle and so much more. So sit back, relax, and let's get into this week's countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey. Box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender. All them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 5, Mystic Mountain Madness. Now, coming in at this number is, quite a piece of epic adventure featuring this young lady who decided to go to Mystic Mountain. But this ride was nothing quite smooth for her. Take a look at her reaction.
Let's see if I'm up your journey, but
that's something you want on funny sign because murder. You're not afraid. I tried my best not to scream, but Jesus. Ah! Wait. Oh God. Me didn't want to go on the other side. Oh God. I want to cover me. Oh God. Oh God.
No, I couldn't really play it in the full explicit version because she was cursing several colorful languages, and because the show kind of PG, I can't really show the full thing, but I am her and she is me. I'll be reacting the exact way. No, there are certain things I like. I like heights. There is what the place name again over, it's in Negril, where they jump off Lover's Leap, Lover's Live, don't what? Rick's Cafe up there, so Rick's Cafe, man, where you jump off, no, I'm not doing that. No matter how much money I pay me, I'm not do it. All if it was to save my... No, I'm a family that I probably would have tried. But yeah, so big up this young lady for, braving the efforts. But yeah, man, this ride at Mystic Mountain will not see me. Will it see you, Burritos? Sound of below.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
What cartel say?
Cartel say, what under me nose?
What night you say?
What under me eye?
What happened?
Me blind.
Number 4, Hairstyle barred. No, coming in at number 4, this young man was barred from entering in his high school, McGrath High, because of his choice of hairstyle. But let's just say, Burritos, like, boy, oh boy, him. Just take a listen to what he said.
yo, see the dog that I think me hate with someone no Jamaican, someone no elder Jamaican mother, brother. I need to free to talk, brother. Whole heap of youth over school, me know my youth. Bleach out white, like chalk. And still I go in a school, brother, just cause they ear short, brother. And me know when I bleach and not like that, the only thing do my pants big. Everybody know me know my pants big, brother. And only thing me do, I just grow my ear, brother, and then still I find me out, dog. And some of the parents out there come and talk about me, I look like a cuff and name thing, brother. And the worst part, whole heap of you want want talk and say you are foolish to do, but nobody not talk. And just cause me get up and talk now, brother. You all out now come and bash me now. Brother, if you don't want to bash me, go and bash, brother. I'm not messing the dog. Cause only thing me I talk is the truth, brother. And I whole heap of more things are going over at the school. I just threw me now remember if you talk, brother. Just wait, man. Just wait, yeah?
Okay, you know, him put out him video plea to the public, you know, and I was like, boy, you know, I really want to champion him cause because, you know, times where we miss out some years out of COVID because, you know, people couldn't really get all of them education because they have to stay home and, you know, that set the kids back. So, you don't really want them to miss out no further time. But like, yeah, man, the school, you shouldn't bar him. Probably you could have barred everybody else, but you see when you look on the youth, am I allowed to say this? Oh God, why young man, me support you know, me support. Say you want to be Martin Luther King and champion for the rights of black people. But yeah man, you did the teacher them, yeah man, them a do you a disservice. You should have their school because you look on the youth TikTok page.
Education. Please come over my grad because my ear is my nationality. And it is for significance in me. So I can go in the school. They don't want me to.
Then tell me for trim.
Then tell for trim. They don't want we go in our school
then
because our ear. Our ear is our nationality. Ministry of Education, I beg you please.
Yeah man. And just say, you know, him never they can come up at the top in a spelling bee. No Jody and Maxwell. The subject and the verb agreement, yeah man, it bad. Like it turbo man. It like just look right there. So like look on one of the caption them. Like me I tell you man. Magrat, you can't see a you like this. And him a write like this and him social media as an upcoming TikTok influencer. I watch ya. Look, no, look at that. And look at here so again. And look at here so again. And the list continues now. Him, out of everybody in in front of the school gate, he needed to be in class, especially English class. Please ensure that if all una for pay for the barber for trim him, just make sure say una trim him inside a class during English time. Like, please, may I beg McGrath. Hi, there's a big you. Jesus Christ, no the youth are above for me. Jesus be Lord of mercy. You see, that's why you know you must just leave certain things alone. Cause look at that. The spirit of Donald Trump, big you. Wait, what Donald Trump just said big Lee. I mean, he said big you. Whoa. Anyway, Burritos, just let me know. Do you think this young man has a right to wear his hairstyle how he sees fit? Sound off below. Number 3, educational value. All right, now, so this young man on TikTok posed a question and it was quite controversial, some would say. He basically brought up the point that education is no longer of value for many young Jamaicans. Take a listen.
Parents, our grandparents, our predecessors lied to we when until we say all we need to do is go to school and take a book, get good grades and come out and get a good job and live comfortably, because that's not the reality that millennials and Gen Z are facing right now. So something go wrong somewhere along the line. You know what I'm saying? The only people who seem to live comfortably are the one them who apparently don't have no brain. The one them who never spend the time focused on school and schoolwork and none of that bullshit. So how you going to convince the youth them nowadays when at school say what they need to do is take them book, when the reality what them observe around them is that the rich criminal them, the dunce them, are the one them who live life, and the one them who have the 8 and 9 subject sit down at some job and pay them enough to even own a proper car. How do you convince a generation that education is the key when they are surrounded by rich criminals and broke graduates? Explain that to me.
Oh, wow. Okay, so him share him 2 cents, and I think it was an excellent observation. And me like when people post them type of questions here on TikTok that can spark a lot of conversation and debate. And I would say I agree with him. Many of us were raised that you have to become like the doctor, lawyer, teacher, and you have to work hard and kill up yourself and all kind of stuff. And then now you have many people with social media careers that are able to monetize their personality. They don't even have to go through all of med school. I find it strange that even in my career to know that I would be working and sometimes earning more than people who would have gone into, like me know they're more brilliant than me. Then in high school, them are the Jimmy Neutron, where them do everything by the book, full nerd. I'll do 16 subjects and only forgot to see that there's a TikToker out there or a Kaisenat out there that is out earning them. And so the ball game has changed and now young people are like, I don't want to waste all of my time with academia when me can just get up on Taps and Roses or go take some breeze on the only place. Can I Burritos. What are big people? Yeah, man. Or you can go skin out on the crutches for OnlyFans. I don't know why me I go and stuff. I don't know. And if you don't know OnlyFans, why? Because I know there's a good amount of church people watching this. So if you know OnlyFans, may I judge you. Yeah, man. And over here, so we listen and don't judge, don't keep on DuttyBerryshow channel, we judge. All right, burritos. So just let me know, is education still the key? Or is it what the opposite of the key? Is Jin, what is it? Is education the key or is it ooh, that's it. So burritos, let me know, is education the key or is it currently padlocked? Look at that. Brains came up with it on my own. Needed no help from anyone in front of me. Number 2, a hug saves a life. Now, this is the heartfelt moment of the week. So a few days ago, we saw a young man who went on top of the transport center and we didn't know what was going on, but what was said on the street was that he was contemplating, ending his life because he was going through several, I guess, like crisis, right? And so in the middle of that, people go up on social media, start fear tweet, start fear record him, and people are wondering, is he going to jump? Will he jump? But luckily, he maintained his stance there and was retrieved by a current firefighter who was able to give him this warm embrace. Take a look.
But him better than the fireman. Push him up on the ladder. Oh my God. No man, good people still there in the world. Oh my God, this is so nice. Hey man, reason with the young youths.
No, it is important to note that like the man who go up there and go give him the hug, he's a current firefighter, and the guy who was going through his moment is an ex-firefighter. So many people are wondering, like, what is exactly happening in the Jamaica Fire Brigade, and how are they going to help to provide more health, mental health solutions to their employees? Yes, Burrito. So it's important to note that remember, I think was it last year or some time ago, there was a firefighter who went right on top of the transport center and he did wave the Jamaican flag. And at the time, he was trying to advocate for the firefighters and their wages and the very bad environment that they have to be working in. And so he's the same person who went up there and gave him the hug. You see that? Each one helped one. Like, he went through it. He understands the struggle from one firefighter to an ex-firefighter, was able to have that moment. And I think, some people caught up with his mother, and his mother shared a little bit of this.
To people who are set over them, right? That's it. That's my thing. It's my son, and I will fight on my knees until he come back around, because I know this is a spiritual warfare. This is a physical. Good pick me that. Good pick me. Sent here to high school in one. He come out with 9 subjects. And I fight for him. I fight for him.
Yeah, and so all is well that ends well. So burritos, just let me know. Like, when is the last time you gave or received a really good hug? Sound off in the comments. And number 1 goes to Pierre's viral video. Whoa, yes, whoa. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So, boy, Pierre, Mr. Mufasa, the new Lion King movie, like, yeah, man, him gone viral. And right now, Jamaican people are taking him over because he was in an interview and him asked him about the last good meal, and the man mentioned saying that I eat kalaloo with mustard saltfish and rice and something. I mean, like, oh wow.
Last good meal you had?
Oh, the last good meal I had. I mean, I'm always having good meals, but I think the last real good meal I had was probably at my grandmother's house. We had kalaloo and saltfish with rice and peas and some dumpling.
You have some Jamaican in your background?
I'm half Jamaican, yes sir.
I know that's right, okay.
Then there was another video with him, I danced to one Jamaican dancehall song, and me like, all right now. Like, all right now, so we have Kamla Harris now. I know you claim your Jamaican roots is what you audition for play Who Aaron could have played now? Judge William Garden. I the only national hero he probably could have tried out for like, is there a little role because Bob Marley done gone? Aaron Pierre, what are you trying to do? But what got many people talking is the video when he appeared on the Jennifer Hudson show, and you know them have they call it the little tunnel, the little celebration, clapping tunnel when the guests them come in, them do a little original song, and them cheer them on as they enter the stage. And so this is what Aaron's video looked like.
That's Mufasa. Aaron, Pierre, that's Mufasa. What? Aaron, Pierre, that's Mufasa. Aaron, Pierre, that's Mufasa. Get it, Aaron, Pierre, that's Mufasa. Pierre, that's Mufasa. Get it, Aaron. Pierre, that's Mufasa. Go, Aaron. Pierre, that's Mufasa. Say it again. Aaron. Pierre, that's Mufasa. Aaron. Pierre, that's Mufasa.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, and since the video got posted, like, the people them get very thirsty to the point where Jennifer Hudson had to mute all of the comments on the social media channel because the things that they were saying, like them know the man that carry the spirit of Mufasa in them pants and all kind of stuff. They tell you they were thirsty. If you never think a woman did thirsty before, just go through the comments on social media for that Aaron Pierre video. And boy, oh boy, man, like it's the Aaron Pierre that but kind of put on him like a black swag, you know, even though people say normally date white woman, but him put on him like a black swag for that particular video, man. Even Julie Mango got in on the action, dubbing herself as Aaron Pierre's Jamaican wife. Yeah, take a look right here, so.
That's Mufasa. Aaron, Pierre, that's Mufasa. What? Aaron, Pierre, that's Mufasa. Aaron, Pierre, that's Mufasa. Aaron, Pierre, that's Mufasa. Aaron, Pierre, that's Mufasa. Get it, Aaron, Pierre, that's Mufasa. Aaron, Pierre, that's Mufasa. Say it again. Aaron, Pierre, that's Mufasa. Aaron, Pierre, that's Mufasa.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, why if you run out to no man and G's and P, I don't mind the trend. Because honestly, you know, so right now, me actually hear say, Popcorn jumped in on the trend. Yeah, you never know. But Dutty Berry channel had this exclusive. Yeah, man, but him did kind of remix it differently. Scatter, Burrell, suck you. Oh, that was a little bit too rough. Like, that's how I thought Popcorn would have, like, Scatter, Burrell, suck you, sing it with me. Like, oh God, you know, it's the start of the year. I'm still working through myself and my healing. So clearly, I spoke earlier that the countdown was going to be very PG, very Disney, Nickelodeon. And I feel like the spirit of late night HBO and Cinemax are calling me. Like, that's what's going on right now. You know, so Burritos, this is it for the number one, but just let me know, are you very much a fan of Aaron Pierre and you like that he's showing off his Jamaican side? Let me know in the comments. So that is it for the topics, but the countdown show is still continuing because after the break, because after this, I'll be speaking to Kamla McDonald, the owner of Kamla's Kitchen, because yeah man, she opened up a new restaurant. She moved from Upper Skyline to the marketplace and now she has a restaurant downtown. So stick and stay for when I visited and had a chat with her. All right, Duttyberry here, downtown Kingston at the launch of Kamla's Kitchen, the downtown establishment. Like, no man, you are not wasting any time. You are not wasting any time. Them did say work.
Time to waste.
Yeah, one say no say.
Time to waste.
That is it. Them have one say no say work on a chicken we are jerk, but you know you're vegan so or something. But that is it. That is it. So how are you feeling in this moment now?
Oh my gosh.
Not only one restaurant, you know, not two, three. In the space of just a few years since COVID, like come on.
Thank you. I'm feeling so grateful, feeling so blessed, feeling so ready.
and excited to be here to serve the community, really. Yeah.
Now talk to me now, like I know you have your restaurant them and them come like your babies now. But like you have a special favorite so far, one where you think might be the new one for like steal your heart now?
But you know, as a mom, you can't have a favorite. You know what I mean? Because every location, every baby has a place in your heart, a special place, you know?
Yeah.
We have Skyline Levels, that's the destination dining.
Yeah.
Up on the mountains, live music, look up on the view and go see the city.
Yeah.
Marketplace, that's the convenience location, you know, so that's my convenience baby.
Yeah.
Anybody that's on the road, you're just passing by, you want a quick lunch, that's healthy, we got you.
Yeah.
Then here we have the culture, we have the creativity, we have the vibes, we have, easy me? So
Kamla?
there's no...
Kamla, wait until me introduce my cousin them, Munchi and Pama, some of them.
ready
When
for
them,
them.
when them come up here, you're gonna put like a dressing, like disclaimer. Trust me. Yeah.
Yes, I'm ready for you.
No, by the way, do you have any plans to have like an attire like like format like that you'd want the attendees and the people to show up here in?
No, I want people to come as they are. Come as you are. There's no judgment here. It's, just open up your heart. That's all it is. And your mind and your soul and be filled with the good nourishment. That's it. Come dressed any attire.
Yeah. So you told the people earlier that you are actually going to be branching out now where people can come and get like local produce.
Yes.
And they can also use this space downtown
Yes.
as a hub to also work out, relax after the traffic.
Yes,
Talk to
so
me about that.
this
Why-
is
where
the
idea
wellness
came from?
hub. Well, wellness is holistic, right? And so for me, it would be very singular to only be able to offer nutrition and food. When you are transforming your life, it has to be mind, body, spirit. And so if you notice, Marketplace, we had the workouts. So we have WellFit Wednesdays on a Wednesday morning at the Marketplace. It's actually free to the public because, wellness should be free. I think we have this misconception that in order to be well, it is expensive, and that couldn't be further from the truth. So I think this is another manifestation of that place and that space. About Skyline, we have Move on the Mountain, we have yoga on the mountain, we have mindfulness on the mountain. So this is just, it couldn't be a space. There's no way I would have launched into a third location without being able to offer a holistic wellness hub. And so we're really excited about that. I know people struggle with where can I find healthy food that is not too expensive, that I can trust where it comes from, it's organic. So this is a space. You pick up your produce, you come for your workouts bright and early on a Saturday morning, and then you go about your business, you make your errands, you deal with the picnic them.
You basically want to do a one-stop shop.
Yeah, one-stop shop, man.
Now talk to me you have the different locations. Is there anything on the menu that you, I guess, created a little bit differently for the downtown market, the downtown
No,
audience?
you know what? I wanted the downtown audience to experience what we're doing at the Marketplace. And so the Kamla's Kitchen menu is exactly the same. So what you can get at Marketplace will be exactly what you can get here.
Nice.
But I know that, for example, breakfast is not something that's very popular down here, downtown. So I'm very excited to offer gluten-free pancakes and breakfast burritos and protein muffins and a taste of Jamaica every morning with the ackee. And we do a ackee and a salt prips.
Okay.
So it's not saltfish, it's salt prips.
Prips.
We use jackfruit and we season it up with an Ethiopian spice called berry.
Called what?
Berry.
Why? Don't tell people that that's a lack of some vitamin. Jesus Christ, that look bad. Wait, man, big up berry.
So yeah, berry, exactly. You understand me? So enough things. We're just bringing the creativity. We're bringing the flavor. We want to excite people's palates, and that's what this is all about.
Okay, that's very great. I'm really, really proud of you.
Thank
When
you.
you send me the message, I'm like,
You're
"No,
like,
man."
wait, what? I was
Yeah,
just at the second.
Not just the other day, no, me I wonder what next. And so I have an idea, I'm wrapping up. What are the different the wellness that you have? They are well fit.
Yeah, so there is move well, eat well, drink well, sleep well, rest well, live well, and feel well.
And I think I know the next one. Sex well. That is it. Thank you so much. I think I feel it. I feel it. The Rastafarian
not me.
vibration. I could say I have coaches. People come, everybody relax. And you said this is how you hug, you embrace, because we're in a social media age. That is it. So
Understand
I feel,
connection.
because now I know how your mind works. I'm I have to figure out what's your next step.
next?
What's next? And I that must say.
one.
So you heard it here first. Berry doesn't know. So when she launches it next week, say right there. So all right, take care.
All right, so hey guys, so you just heard from Kamla McDonald at the launch of her new establishment downtown, Kamla's Kitchen. So she have the skyline and now she's moved to downtown Kingston. But right now, as mentioned before, there's a new segment and I'm going to be calling it Burrito Chat Back, where I read some of the comments from the previous social media countdown videos and hear what we have to say. And so today's first comment comes from Princess with her ex Blake 609, and she said, husband and wife enjoy themselves. Bolt and Casey don't stop having fun with each other. My husband and I are the same way when we go out. We enjoy each other's company. Oh gosh, well that is so nice for you. Hopefully you still do the little hookings and the little jokings and the stuff they want to enjoy themselves right up until you reach 90 and the maroon age. So big up yourself, Princess. All right? Oh Lord. And another comment comes in from Kenisha Henry, 7446. And she had talked about the Kirk Franklin, give him to apologize to the Jamaicans, right? And I talked about it last week. And so she said, me not say why Kirk Franklin apologize. No, why I assume say I saw the girl talk. Anyway, let me go. Me not say why Kirk Franklin apologize. Him not do nothing wrong. Everyone has the right for dress how they want. These people have a problem with it, need to get over themselves and focus on the things that really matter. All right, Kenisha. Yeah, man, tell you about the Kenisha. Them, one thing, a Kenisha, them are going to talk up. Me never say a lie. No, I like Kenisha, them, I know you just have one heap of mouth. Not about action, but full enough mouth. So, bring up yourself, Kenisha Henry, and defending Kirk Franklin's right to wear a marina. All right. And another comment comes in from Moon Bay 38. And so she was signing off on the Shatawale versus Stoneboy debate about who are the real king of African dancehall. So, is a he or she, this Moonbait? So they say, all right, you have to say they kind of these times, not an African burrito, just a Jamaican one. But I can tell you, Shatawale have been waving the Jamaican flag since the early 2000s. I saw him in an interview and was amazed of the knowledge he had regarding the dancehall space. He stated Vybz Kartel is his favorite artist. I love Stoneboy, but Shatta paved the way for him and others. All right, Moonbay, you defend your artist, you know. You defended Shatta Wale, but boy, you know, I pick up the two of them same way. And let me see if there's another comment. And a final comment comes in from Raquel NM. And she says, I agree with your comments, Barry, about Beanie Man / Vybz. Both have earned that moniker in their own right, but I think Beanie and even Sean Paul have a more widely recognizable catalog of songs, at least in North America. Thank you, Raquel. I hope I saw your sound, because my spirit does say I saw your sound, Raquel, like you have a nice customer service airport voice. So I saw your sound, like I have a Raquel who used to work at TVJ. Yeah, man. Oh, so I have one more comment. And this comment comes from Claude. No, man, the name here. Claude Drea. Claude, we know about Claudia, but Claude Drea. Anyway, Claude Drea. That's actually what your parents call you? Claude Drea? No, man, like, somebody said, like, up in the clouds, like, puff. Oh, no, just crime. Very PG show. Anyway, let's go. She said, number 8 was a quick backtrack and retraction. Absolutely hilarious. It's always important to be mindful of what you say, both online and offline. If only we could remember what number 8 was on the last social media countdown. Jesus Christ. I don't remember, but whatever it is, thanks for leaving a comment, Claude Drea. Oh God, so that's it enough for the Burrito chat back. And now we've come to the end of this social media countdown. Once again, if you want to participate and be featured in this chat back segment, make sure you leave a comment down below, because I will be looking through the comments and you never know, you might end up in next week's countdown. So we'll come to the end. I hope you enjoyed this edition of the social media countdown. Please ensure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We've hit the 300,000 mark and we're aiming for 400,000 subscribers next. Also, don't forget to follow all my social media accounts at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all over. I don't know the strappings, how it go. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. All right, take care until next time. Ta-ta! Ha! No, man. Kanishiwa. Is that right, Jin? Okay. Oh, it's still wrong. Okay. All right. I get them next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, boss cover, him cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, how I have me not the week, yo, just tune in, zine.